Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this video is going to be a weekend in my life in Singapore kind of vlogs, which I haven't done in quite a while, to be honest, because I was just like traveling all over the place for the past 2 months. But this video is going to be a chill vlog, something that you guys are more familiar with, I guess. And now I'm in the Lavender area because I'm headed to a bakery called Le Levain. I think that's how it's pronounced. It's probably one of the most highly rated bakeries in Singapore, so I'm very excited to check it out.
Hey, I think you're cute. Can I hit you up on Instagram? Cause you are the only thing I'm thinking of. And I can't stop it, I'm wishing you and I were talking.
Okay, so which one do you look forward to the most? I really want to try the burnt cheese croissant.
True.
Yeah, so we got 2 sweet and 1 savory. This is the bacon mushroom baguette. Wow. Is it cheese?
I would say my social awkwardness would just get in the way. And maybe I'm a little bit shy, but I'll try my
Also ordered their Earl Grey latte with oat milk, and ZH got the regular flat white regular milk. Oh shit, I almost destroyed it.
only tell so much. So I'm thinking of a message to send you, but it's hard for me to tell if it's too long or not enough.
Oh my gosh, the weather is just like, I hate it so much. So much rain, can you imagine? After lunch, I went to this homeware store called Crane Living that sells a bunch of cute, aesthetic home items. They have several locations in Singapore, but in my opinion, the one at Juchia has the nicest vibes. I ended up getting this yogurt jar and another plate for my friend, and I just love them so much. So cute. Okay, it's still drizzling outside, but I just make a quick stop at Juchia to get some birthday gift for one of my friends. And I'm meeting her now at Sentosa, but I'm running late, so I'm just gonna grab there. Made it to Sentosa, but the weather today is hella depressing. Like, it's just gloomy, rainy, the worst. Okay, happy belated birthday! I'm late for like a whole hour, so.
It's okay, it's okay, I heard.
I can't fly down on the Friday. I was meant to meet you at your mom's house, so I apologize.
Okay. Hello. Okay, so we came to sort of like a Sunday market here at Palawan Beach Walk. There are like 20-30 like vendors selling a bunch of different stuff like home items, snacks, and even like vegan meal boxes. So yeah, it's pretty cool. The only thing is that like the weather today is just very bad, so it's been drizzling, so there aren't a lot of people, to be honest. But overall, it's still a very nice experience. I do enjoy it a lot. Fuck.
Gotta bounce back about 2 to 3 times. Dealing with your ass got me working overtime. Got me some slack.
So now we're at this place called K Bowling, and we're gonna play bowling, obviously. Honestly, this place has like nightclub vibes with the lighting and everything. Interesting. Okay, go Minky, go. Whoa. Whoa. Ah. Oops. Oh, bruh. Oh, damn. Oh my god. Oh, never mind. 8 out of 10. I got this.
Steady times I thought that we could start this all over, but now I know I can't do any type of mediocre. Used to fall back, and now I'm on a looking forward. Can't believe that you were the one. Like a flag from the start. Now I know all the things that I want. Day by day, taking time to myself. Can't believe I thought you were the one. All the flags waving red from the start. Now I know all the things that I want. Think I'm good on my own. 'Cause I'm
What kind of background music is that? Oh, damn. So that's medium spicy. Looks hella spicy. Okay, candid reaction. This is my favorite mala place in Singapore, so. Nice. Approve? Oh wow, look at that. What is that? Like pork? Pork belly?
Fish.
Good?
Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. 'Cause I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. 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 I'm good.
We always got a separate stomach for dessert, so we're having bingsu.
This one.
Mingsan, which flavor is that?
This one?
Yeah.
Is, I think it's the original injera meat.
Injera me? Injera me. Really bad pronunciations.
Yeonyu.
Yeonyu? Like
Yeonyu.
yogurt?
Oh no,
Oh, this is not
condensed
yogurt.
milk.
Oh, condensed milk. And that's the mango cheesecake.
Ah.
Yum.
Mango yogurt cafe.
Okay.
We order one.
But I don't wanna think we're toxic. But who cares? You said that we're over. Hands under covers alone this time. But everything I see still reminds me of you.
Alright, I just got home and I'm feeling super bloated. Like literally I had so much food during the past 2 hours. But I guess that's a wrap of today's video. So as per usual, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Now see you guys in the next one. Alright, bye, good night.
Me and you forever. Tell me where you been, yeah. Since our break, I'm sorry that I blamed ya for things you can't